name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be sharing my spring sewing plans. So here in Australia we are coming into spring at last. I'm so excited for the warmer months and I have a fresh new pile of fabrics here that I'm so excited to show you. Like always, I have a little handy spring sewing plans list on my Instagram saved. So every time I see something that I might like to make for my own wardrobe, I just save it into here. And let's just go through it now and let me show you what I have planned to make this season. So the first fabric I have to show you is this adorable vintage cotton with this tiny floral print in the cutest kind of apricot shades. I actually found this fabric on eBay. That's actually a good tip if you're ever after some really good quality vintage fabrics. I definitely recommend you check out eBay. It does take a bit of time to find some really good pieces, but when you do, it is so worth it. So I picked this one up for about $20. There's about 2.5 meters here. And what I have planned to make out of this is something that I've been wanting to make for months and months and months, and I think I shared it even in last season's sewing plans video. I've been seeing these really beautiful shirred bust puffy sleeve dresses. They are everywhere and it's finally warming up here in Australia so I can actually make some for myself. But I basically want to make something very similar to this dress here. It's got a very similar little floral print like this fabric here, so I think it's going to be perfect. And it's just got this shirred bust, a little ruffled detail on the skirt, which is really nice, and these amazing puffy sleeves, which I'm just obsessed with. I love a puffy sleeve, and I think this dress is just going to be such an easy one to wear during spring and summer, and I'm so excited to make it. I will definitely be sharing a tutorial on how to make this dress when I finally get around to it. Next up, I have this beautiful linen fabric. This fabric here was kindly sent to me by A&R Fabrics. I'll have their website linked in the description below this video if you'd like to check them out. They have some beautiful linens in the most lovely shades. This one here is called Caramel and it is my dream color. It is the most perfect shade of burnt orange and I'm so excited to make something out of this for my wardrobe. Similar to the dress I just showed, I think with this fabric I'm also going to make a shirred puffy sleeve dress. I'm thinking something along the lines of this. This is like the dream dress. It's a very similar color to the linen I've got here, and it also has the most adorable puffy sleeves, but these are a little bit shorter, which I think looks really cute. And the skirt of this dress is also a little bit shorter. I'm not sure if I would do that. I think I personally like the look of a longer midi length, which is what I'm leaning towards maybe doing instead. But I just love this whole style. It is right up my street. And out of this beautiful linen fabric, I just think it's going to be stunning. So this next fabric item is a vintage piece that I picked up secondhand at the op shop for, no joke, I think it was like $4. It's this beautiful kind of crepe fabric. It's slightly sheer but not too sheer, and it's got this lovely vintage blue floral print on it with polka dots. It kind of reminds me of something that you would find on a piece of china. It is just so delicate and beautiful. I feel really lucky to have found it at an op shop. And something else I found at the op shop was this vintage butterick pattern. It's 6950 if you want to see if you can find it online somewhere. But it's this adorable puffy sleeved dress, again with the puffy sleeves because I'm just obsessed with them. You can also see this cute little bow at the back. I can't wait to have a go at it. And I just think this fabric in this style of dress would be so adorable. Sewing with vintage patterns isn't always the easiest thing to do, but I'm so excited to give it a try. I just think it's a really beautiful, timeless pattern, and I'll be sure to film the whole process because I think it's going to be a lot of fun, albeit challenging. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one and hopefully it will turn out like I have envisioned in my mind. Next up, I have this beautiful cotton linen fabric. I picked this one up from Spotlight recently, and I actually filmed the whole fabric shopping trip that I did that day. So I went to Spotlight and I went to an op shop and I filmed the whole thing. So that video should hopefully be coming out next week if you're interested. I'm definitely very drawn to blue and greens this season, as you can probably tell by my new pile of fabrics. I'm not exactly sure why, but I just really love blue at the moment. So I picked up 2.5 meters of this beautiful fabric. I'm not entirely sure yet what I want to make from it. I'm either thinking another puffy sleeve dress, just like this one here. I just think that dress style in the blue shade is just stunning. So probably most likely we'll make a third puffy sleeve dress. Otherwise, I'm also really drawn to this kind of style of dress too. I just think a really beautiful vintage style dress in a textured fabric like a linen would just look really nice. I kind of have it pictured in my mind and I think it would work really well. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should make out of this fabric, because I'm kind of torn. The next fabric I also got from Spotlight. I was just instantly drawn to it. It's this kind of green coloured floral fabric with pops of blue and pink. I didn't get that much of it because I honestly wasn't sure what I'd make out of this when I saw it, so I only got 1.5 meters. I actually think it will make a really nice blouse. Something along the lines of this one here, worn by Liv Purvis. I just want a really nice comfortable top that would work really well with a pair of jeans. I really love this whole sleeve detail. Even the pleats on the sleeve are really nice, but I especially love how it's kind of elastic drawn at the end with a kind of ruffle. I just think that's so effortless and beautiful, and I think out of something like this it could look really, really cute. So I also picked up this pattern here, Simplicity 8839, and it kind of has a really similar blouse to the one I just showed in the picture. It's also got this insanely beautiful sleeved version here. I'm kind of tempted to give that one a go maybe. It's definitely a statement sleeve, which I love, and I think it could look really cool. Next I have another cotton linen fabric in this beautiful sage green colour. The fabric itself is called Oregano, which I just think is the cutest thing ever. I was again drawn to this fabric immediately. I really, really love this colour at the moment, but I also wasn't quite sure what I wanted to make out of this as well. So again, I only got about 1.5 meters. I kind of regret that decision now, I think, because what I have planned to make out of this fabric is one of my wrap style dresses. This dress here is one I made about this time last year actually, and it is a wrap style dress. I made the pattern up myself, and since I shared that video it's gotten quite a number of views, and I've been getting a lot of comments asking whether I'm going to be making this dress into a pattern that I'll sell, and I'm really excited to say that yes, I am. I'm not sure if it's going to be the next pattern available or not, but it is one I'm working on at the moment. So once I have that pattern all ready to go, I'll be sure to let you know, and hopefully if I have enough fabric I will definitely be making one out of this. I also plan to make a wrap dress out of this beautiful vintage cotton fabric I have here. I found this one at an op shop as well. It only cost me $4 and there's nearly 3 meters there. It's just adorable, and I really think a cute little wrap dress out of this would be really nice as well. I kind of feel like it will look really similar to this one here, worn by Kate LaVie. This dress just looks so comfortable and easy to wear. I love that about wrap dresses as well, especially in summer, just being able to wrap it over you and tie it up. It's just so easy and effortless. And I feel like the fabric of this dress here is very similar to the one I've got, just in a different colour. So if it looks good in the green, I'm pretty confident it will look good in the raspberry red as well. So yeah, that's what I have planned, and definitely stay tuned for my wrap dress pattern. I'm so excited to share it with you, and I know you're going to love it just as much as I do. Next, I have this pink bed sheet. It's a double bed sheet, so there's a heap of fabric there, and it, no joke, only cost me, I think it was either $2.50 or $3 for the piece. If you're learning how to sew and just want some cheap fabric to sew with, definitely go to the op shop and buy some bed sheets. They're so affordable, and you just get so much fabric with one bed sheet, so there's a lot to work with. But I was really drawn to the colour of this bed sheet, obviously. I'm a huge fan of the colour pink, and I think I mentioned in a previous sewing plans video that I don't necessarily wear pink much because I think I'm quite a pink coloured person. I just never thought it really looked good on me, but after I said that, a lot of you commented saying it looked fine and that I should just wear it if I love the colour, and I totally agree with you. So that's why I bought this massive pink bed sheet. I'm gonna make myself some pink clothes for my wardrobe. I have quite a few pink things saved here, so let me just go through and show you some of them. So first up, I have this beautiful blouse by the Ease label. It's got everything I love. It's pink. It's got the elasticated arms and waist, which gives it this really beautiful puffy style that I love. Then there's also this one here by Nice Martin. It's just this tiered gathered dress, again with some beautiful sleeves. I really love the whole oversized look at the moment, and this is exactly the sort of thing I love. Whether or not I could pull something like that off, I'm not sure, but I really like it on the model here, and I just, yeah, think it would be a really cool piece to add to my wardrobe. And then lastly, I have this adorable blouse that is worn here by Liv Purvis. It's just such a simple design, but again, so effortless, and in that pink color, I just think it looks really nice. And the last fabric I have to share with you is this beautiful printed rayon. I think this is the only printed rayon I have in the stash, which is a first for me. I'm always drawn to the rayons. So it's a navy blue fabric with this beautiful tiny little floral print, and what I have planned to make out of this fabric is a really nice simple floral skirt. I think a beautiful feminine floral skirt like this paired with a simple t-shirt just looks really nice as an outfit. And I have quite a few floral dresses but not many floral skirts, so I want to definitely add one to my wardrobe this season. Here's another look at a similar style. I think the t-shirt, the floral skirt and a pair of Converses, it's just a really nice outfit combo, I think. So yeah, I definitely want to add a cute floral skirt like this to my wardrobe. At the moment I don't have a pattern for one, so if you know of any patterns similar to this style, I would love to hear your suggestions in the comments. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my spring sewing plans and having a look at my recent fabric purchases. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing my whole fabric shopping trip in next week's video, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see that one. I'm so excited about this batch of projects I have planned, and I cannot wait to get started with them, and I will definitely be sharing a lot of the making processes of these pieces here on this channel, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and come find me on Instagram at Rosery Apparel if you'd like to see some of the other things I make. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching!